Hello, is this Anna?
Yes, speaking.
This is Tom calling.
Hi, Tom.
Is this a good time?
Yes, it is.
Can we talk now?
Sure.
I have a quick question.
Okay.
Are you free today?
Yes, after 5.
Can we meet later?
Yes, we can.
Where should we meet?
At the cafe.
Which cafe do you mean?
The one near work.
What time is good?
6 o'clock.
Is that okay for you?
Yes, perfect.
Should I call again?
No need.
Can you text me?
Yes, I will.
Is your number the same?
Yes, same number.
Are you busy tomorrow?
No, I'm free.
Can we plan tomorrow too?
Yes, we can.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I do.
Tea or coffee today?
Coffee, please.
Should I reserve a table?
Yes, good idea.
Is the place crowded?
Usually, yes.
I will be on time.
Great.
I'm calling from work.
I understand.
Is the sound clear?
Yes, very clear.
Can you hear me well?
Yes, I can.
Thanks for your time.
No problem.
See you later today.
See you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Talk to you soon.
Okay.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Take care.
Thanks.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, sure.
Where is the milk section?
It's over there.
Near the bread aisle?
Yes, near the bread.
Is this fresh milk?
Yes, it is fresh.
Is it low-fat milk?
Yes, it is low fat.
How much is it?
It's $2.
Is it on sale today?
No, not today.
Do you have bigger bottles?
Yes, on the top shelf.
Can you show me, please?
Of course.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Where can I find eggs?
In the next aisle.
Are they organic eggs?
Yes, they are.
How many eggs are inside?
12 eggs.
Are they fresh today?
Yes, very fresh.
Can I take this box?
Yes, that's fine.
Do you have paper bags?
Yes, at the checkout.
Is the checkout far?
No, it's close.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Do you accept cash?
Yes, we do.
Is there a discount card?
Yes, for members.
Can I get one today?
Yes, at the desk.
Where is the desk?
Near the entrance.
Is the store busy now?
A little busy.
What time do you close?
At 10 tonight.
Are you open tomorrow?
Yes, all day.
Thank you for your help.
My pleasure.
You were very kind.
Thank you.
I like this store.
We're glad.
I will come again.
Please do.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me, is this the bus stop?
Yes, it is.
Which bus comes here?
Bus number 5.
Does it go downtown?
Yes, it does.
Is it the right direction?
Yes, this way.
How often does it come?
Every 10 minutes.
When is the next bus?
In 5 minutes.
Is the bus usually full?
Sometimes, yes.
Can I sit inside?
Yes, there are seats.
Is there a bus map here?
Yes, behind you.
Can I buy a ticket here?
No, on the bus.
Do they take cash?
Yes, they do.
Can I use a card?
Yes, also card.
How much is one ticket?
It's $2.
Is it valid all day?
No, one ride only.
Can I ask the driver?
Yes, you can.
Is the stop crowded now?
Not very crowded.
Is it safe here?
Yes, it's safe.
Does the bus stop here long?
Only 1 minute.
Should I stand here?
Yes, near the sign.
Will the driver see me?
Yes, easily.
Is this your bus too?
Yes, same bus.
Do you ride it daily?
Yes, every day.
Is traffic heavy now?
A little heavy.
Will we be late?
No, on time.
Thank you for explaining.
You're welcome.
You helped me a lot.
I'm glad.
The bus is coming now.
Yes, it is.
Let's get ready.
Sure.
Have a nice trip.
You too.
See you later.
Bye.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Are you busy now?
Not very busy.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, go ahead.
What is today's task?
We have one meeting
What time is it?
at 10 o'clock.
Is it an online meeting?
No, in the office.
Where is the meeting room?
On the second floor.
Should I bring my laptop?
Yes, please bring it.
Do I need notes?
Yes, some notes.
Is the manager coming?
Yes, he is.
How long is the meeting?
About 30 minutes.
Is there coffee after?
Yes, in the kitchen.
Can I help you now?
Yes, please.
What do you need?
These documents.
Should I print them?
Yes, print them.
How many copies?
5 copies.
Is the printer working?
Yes, it is.
Is the deadline today?
Yes, today.
Do we work late?
No, normal hours.
Can I leave at 6?
Yes, that's fine.
Is tomorrow busy?
Not very busy.
Do we have another meeting?
No, not tomorrow.
Can I take a break now?
Yes, take one.
Thank you for the info.
You're welcome.
I'll start working now.
Great.
Let me know if needed.
I will.
This helps a lot.
I'm glad.
See you at the meeting.
See you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Let's do our best.
Yes, let's.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, please sit down.
I don't feel well today.
What is the problem?
I have a headache.
Since when?
Since yesterday morning.
Do you have a fever?
No, no fever.
Any pain elsewhere?
My throat hurts a little.
Do you cough?
Yes, a little cough.
Do you feel tired?
Yes, very tired.
Did you sleep well?
No, not well.
Do you drink water?
Not enough water.
You should drink more.
Is it serious?
No, not serious.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, some medicine.
How often should I take it?
Twice a day.
Before or after food?
After food.
Should I rest today?
Yes, please rest.
Can I work tomorrow?
Maybe, if better.
Should I stay home?
Yes, today.
Can I drink tea?
Yes, warm tea.
Any food advice?
Eat light food.
Should I avoid cold drinks?
Yes, avoid them.
Do I need another visit?
Not unless worse.
When should I return?
In 3 days.
Can I call you?
Yes, if needed.
Is this common?
Yes, very common.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome.
I feel better now.
That's good.
I will follow advice.
Please do.
You were very kind.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.